In this video, I will create hand-painted t-shirt inspired by Zayn Malik's chest tattoo. Coming up! Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Daria, I'm an artist and I paint on clothes. And this is the first video of my new video series, hand-painted clothes inspired by celebrities' tattoos. I'm so excited about these videos because I often compare tattoo art and clothes art, so in these videos you will see exact difference between these two kind of arts. And first celebrity is Zayn Malik. He has many tattoos, but the one on the chest is interesting for me, and actually I couldn't find the clear photo of his tattoo. I just found this photo and I just zoomed in and it looks like a wolf, red wolf, definitely a wolf and wings. So I drew this sketch and I will paint this design on the t-shirt, but I don't want to create exact copy of Zayn Malik's tattoo, but I want to make it bigger and more spectacular and more artistic and more creative. So let's begin. The beginning, it is the hardest part of painting for me. Even I know that I won't make a mistake, I feel scared to start painting every single time. Don't know, it's kind of phobia, let's call it white t-shirt phobia. And first I will sketch a wolf on the t-shirt, then I will sketch wings. Wings. I created so many designs with wings and I so love to paint wings on clothes because I think that designs with wings are one of the most beautiful designs. As the idea is to create design inspired by the tattoo, I will use the same colors like on the tattoo, so I will use just black and red colors. And now I will paint a wolf, a red wolf. What is the meaning of this tattoo? Do you guys know? If you know, write me in the comments below. I just don't have any idea why Zayn Malik decided to paint this tattoo on his chest. I used to be a big fan of tattoo art and I wanted to get a tattoo, but I'm happy that I didn't get it because I'm sure I would regret about this tattoo. As time changed, I changed. What I used to like, I don't like anymore. And when I discovered fabric paints, now I don't need tattoos because I can create my own tattoo clothes. The eyes of my wolf will shine. And now I will paint wings more detailed, and I changed the shape of the wings as I didn't like the shape of the wings on the Zayn Malik's tattoo. So my wings have different shape and they're bigger and more spectacular, I think. And now is my favorite part. I will create a background with big flat brush, directional brush strokes I will make, and this technique is just you can make it on the clothes. You can't create such brush strokes on the body. So it is difference between tattoo art and clothes art. And of course paint splatters. I will splatter black paint. And painting is finished. Sorry, Zayn Malik, it looks like my tattoo is more beautiful than yours. Hit the like button if you like this tattoo of t-shirt and this video. And if I inspired you to paint something on your clothes, I have the hashtag fashion is art. So share your painted clothes on social media, use this hashtag and tag me in your post dariacreative and let's create new art fashion together. More information about painting on clothes you can find in my educational videos. I put the links to the description below. And stay tuned because more tattoo clothes videos are coming soon. See you, bye bye.